Bitcoin and the larger cryptocurrency market continues to consolidate after the recent short-term consolidation shown by some of the top cryptocurrencies. That said, Gucci is one of the first luxury brands to allow crypto payments, while in the Indian landscape, things are finally turning out to be a little bullish for cryptocurrency geeks. Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain, and Web3. Before diving into the top news of the day, let us take a quick look at the cryptocurrency market and see how some of the top cryptos performed on August 10th. We can see that the global cryptocurrency market had fallen by close to 1% over the last day, and it oscillated at $1.09 trillion mark. The global crypto market had breached one of the highest levels it had seen in the last 1 month. That said, on the short-term chart, that is the 1-hour chart, Bitcoin was noting minor upticks, but on a larger time frame, looking at Bitcoin's daily and weekly chart, there was a net loss in terms of price of 1% and 1.26% respectively. Ethereum, which is the top altcoin, is set for the Gorilla merge tomorrow on August 11th, and ahead of this merge there is quite a lot of anticipation around Ethereum's price and how ETH will perform post the much anticipated merge. At the time of recording, Ethereum's price oscillated around the $1,700 mark, and while it was still up by 2.25% on the weekly, Ethereum's price was down by 0.74% on the daily chart. A quick look at the altcoins. The top altcoins suggest that BNB or Binance Coin was down on the daily chart. So was XRP, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Dogecoin. Most of the top 10 ranked assets by market cap, crypto assets, were seeing a net loss on their daily chart. However, there was a net profit for certain altcoins on the weekly chart, such as BNB and Ethereum. Also, Solana and Polkadot were noting minor gains on the weekly chart. Analysts are finally prepping for a bullish rally for the top cryptocurrencies. One of the top crypto analysts, Michael Van de Poppe, said that Avalanche is continuing to show strength. It broke the crucial resistance mark at the $26 price level, and it has continued to accelerate through it. The next targets, according to the analyst, for Avalanche would be the $36 and 42 mark. If this trend continues, Avalanche could flip these resistances. One of the key price resistance for Avalanche, as we see here for AVAX, is the $36 mark and the $41 mark. If price continues to flip these crucial resistance marks, we can see a decent bullish momentum for AVAX. That said, Avalanche's daily transaction count hit the highest number in the last 1 year. This is also AVAX's yearly high, 1 yearly all-time high. This means that on a whole, on a net, the ecosystem, Avalanche's ecosystem, is noting a decent rally. This is also due to the NFT trading hype that has been going on for AVAX in the last couple of days. For Bitcoin, analyst Will Clementi said that bids at the Bitcoin order book on Coinbase are stacked down to 17K and below. This means that a lot of people are hoping to buy BTC at a lower price. The last time the order book was this skewed to the bid side was the grind up from the March 2020 lows. So could this mean that the market can see a similar rebound like it did in the March 2020 recovery period, or would so many people expecting BTC at a lower price lead to Bitcoin's price in fact falling to the lower levels to suffice the demand in the market for lower price? Well, this is something that we would find out over the weekend when Bitcoin usually sees a pullback. But for now, we are only midweek. We are sitting on a Wednesday, and how the larger cryptocurrency market will pan out and how Bitcoin's price action will pan out is something that we will see in the coming few days. Moving on, luxury brands continue to embrace cryptocurrencies. Gucci has now began accepting cryptocurrencies in a few stores in the United States. While they had already started this in May 2022. They have accelerated the processes, and now about 70% of its full directly operated stores accept cryptocurrencies. The remaining are not expected to be left out for long. This means that Gucci customers could soon buy their favorite apparels in cryptocurrencies. A recent report says that cryptocurrency is a luxury, and brands like Gucci, Off-White, Equinox, and Philippe Plein are entering the crypto scene, as a lot of retail sector side brands are in fact trying to appease their customers by the use of cryptocurrencies and imbibing cryptocurrency in their ecosystem. Last but not the least, one of the top news of the market comes from the Indian landscape, where quite a few happenings are taking place between Binance and Bazirex. The tiff still goes on. However, a positive news comes from one of the other exchanges, one of the other top exchanges in India, which is CoinSwitch Kuber. CoinSwitch has recently launched a Web3 discovery fund, which aims to help over 100 Indian blockchain, Web3 and cryptocurrency startups. The fund will invest in and incubate Indian startups and curate for them an evaluation period. This can prove to be a major bullish move for the larger cryptocurrency market. It's now time to look at some of the top gainers of the day. Nexo's Nexo token is up by 12%, while Lido DAO's LDO is up by 4%. Decreed, which is also a Bitcoin killer, so to say, is up by 4% on the daily and 35% on the weekly chart. Some of the other coins that are noting a massive uptick in terms of price are Yearn Finance's Yiffy token, Phantom's FTM token, and Celsius, which is finally on track after filing for bankruptcy in the last month. Before we wrap today's daily news wrap, we will take a quick look at Ethereum ahead of the merge. After 5 consecutive days of gains, we see that Ethereum has noted its first red candle on August 10th, while the daily close is still awaited at the time of recording, midway in the later Asian trading hours. We can see that Ethereum's price is noting a minor downtick. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, while on net shows that buyers are dominating the market, there is a slight slump in RSI, which means that sellers could be making their way in the market. For now though, with the merge anticipated, there's nothing to fear for Ethereum holders, at least in the short term. The long term, however, remains secure for Ethereum holders. This, my friends, is all in today's daily news wrap. To stay up to date with the crypto market, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our video, don't forget to click on that like button. I'll see you tomorrow with more such crisp content around the cryptocurrency, blockchain and Web3 space. Until then, bye-bye.